Hello and welcome to Section 2 of the Android Developer course. We'll begin by downloading Android Studio. So watch the appropriate video depending on your machine, whether you're using a Mac or Windows. Then we'll take a tour of the Android Studio interface and see how apps are put together. Then we'll add things like text views, buttons, and images to build a user interface for our app, and we'll also write some code to make our apps interactive. And at the end of the section, we'll make a temperature converter app, which converts the temperature from the US standard of degrees Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius, which is used in Europe and other places, and vice versa. So that'll be the first big challenge for you, putting the whole project together and then running it right on your machine in the emulator. At the same time, I'd strongly encourage you to download Rob's book, How to Earn $10,000 While Learning to Code, and jot down a few ideas for apps which you would like to build. There's nothing like having a real app idea in mind that you'd like to end up in Google Play to help you and encourage you as you move along in this course. Other than that, I hope you enjoy this section. Let's dive right in.